cannot be fertile unless a male and a female mate. And then if they do mate, we will be able to see the blastover.
The incubator has to be at 101 degrees for the chicks to live inside of their eggs, and they have to be perfectly warm, or else it will not be good for their development.
When the degree on the incubator is 102, the chicks won't be that healthy. The incubator should be have water in it, so the chicks stay healthy and it stays humid in the incubator.
You always want to turn the eggs 3 times every day, because if you only turn it twice, it's always going to be on one side every night, and then they're going to stick to the shell, and you definitely do not want that.
We put an X on the back side of the egg, and we put an O on the other side to tell which side was the front and which side of the back to turn when we turn them. The chicks should be incubated for 21 days, and after they're hatched, they stay in their incubator so that they could get hot for a couple hours. When the chicks come out of the incubator, they will be wet and sticky. Chicks must be fed starter mash.